you can see this video, how can improve your knowledge, what is Yoga Sutra, and then we go in detail about the each sutra by sutra, chapter by chapter. So there are so many knowledge to learn about Patanjali Yoga Sutra in this course. As you can see, this is a second video of the course. So what is the Yoga Sutra? We will talk about what is the Yoga Sutra. Yoga, everyone know, yoga is a subject. It is a way of living our life. But sutra in Sanskrit, if you will see, the sutra meaning is threads. The threads, like a rope, like a very small, just like you can see is over here in the screen. Yeah, sutra is mean threads. So why these threads come with the Yoga Sutra? Because if it's only one thread, it's become just one piece of the thread. But if it is more than 100 threads, it can be one rope. That rope can give you guidance. The rope can give you direction for your life. So here in this course, the Yoga Sutra knowledge as translated from Sanskrit, it is a wisdom of offering guidelines for living a meaningful and purposeful life. So in the past, the Yoga Sutra, it is a traditional knowledge. When the yogi, the teacher, the master, the guru teaching to their students word by word, mouth to hearing the knowledge. When they can hearing, they can remember, they can practical in their life. So Yoga Sutra, it is very important to have better life for our future, for our peace of mind. So in the past, as you can see in the slide right now, there is no have much quality of the papers. So we have to writing in the skin of the tree. But right now we have a lot of resources, and here we are translating the whole Yoga Sutra book in English language and also Thai for you. So the 4 chapters, there are 4 chapters in the Yoga Sutra. The first chapter name is Samadhi-pad. So Samadhi-pad has total 51 sutra. The second chapter name is Sadhan-pad. Sadhan-pad. The total sutra are 55. The third chapter name is Vibhuti-pad. Vibhuti-pad. Total sutra is 56. And the fourth chapter name is Kevalya-pad. Kevalya-pad. The total sutra is 34. So the 4 chapters, it's very important. Like there are Samadhi-pad, Sadhan-pad, Vibhuti-pad, and Kevalya-pad. Every chapter, it's very important, and it's very give you the way of living your life, to understand you more better, to understand you more, feeling like you know more about yourself. So you can have better way to improve yourself. So there are total 196 sutras. So if you will practice these all sutras to understand with this course, this is going to give you more understanding with Yoga Sutra knowledge. Yeah. So there is a Yoga Sutra. So Yoga Sutra is very important book for our life, and it can help us to understand more about ourselves. So I hope you will understand, and see you soon in the next video. Welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you really enjoy this video, please give me comment, and I will be very happy to see your comment and reply, because the foundation is Yoga Sutra. If we have this all the knowledge of Yoga Sutra in our life, then you can enjoy. This is just a simple video that you have understand about who is Patanjali and how it's work with us in our regular life. So it's very important, and it gives us more understanding and more awareness for our life. So if you are interested to join this Patanjali Yoga Sutra online course, please feel free to direct message me in my page or in wherever you are watching this thing. So feel free to see the description up or down, so you can have better connection, and I can see how I can help you. So have a good day and have a beautiful soul around the world. Namaste.
भजे